Hi, this is Dominic for Paphos Life. I'm at the beach and I haven't got my silly dead cat, so I don't know what the sound's like. But I'm here to have a little bit of a swim, and I thought I might as well do a little film as well. This is Geroskipou Beach. It's Tuesday morning, around 10:30 I think. Yes, I don't film any, and I shouldn't. I have no idea how cold the water is. This will be a good test. Alright, put it off long enough. Let's get in the water. Oh, it's lovely. Just the right temperature. There's a tea clipper or something over there, setting out from Paphos Harbour. Oh, this water is. Oh, I'm gonna. Ooh. Let's pan back and see the beach from a safe enough distance. Now, truth be told, this isn't the first time I've been in today. If you want to see how the first one went, you'll have to watch this clip. I'll try and be as butch as possible, but I can't promise anything. If I swear, then you'll just have to beep it out yourself. Oh, God, that's cold. Oh. God, this is going to be an embarrassing film. Oh! God! Yes, it's bitch. On the chilly side. Other people are swimming though. I'm just used to Cypriot weather now. Oh! Right. I'm going to have to take the plunge now. I'm recording this at 200 frames a second. Oh! Ooh! Ha! Oh God, that's cold. Oh! Oh! God, it wakes you up. Mm. Oh. I'm going to get my head under there.